I should just have a photographer right now. Like,
You want it, I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it.
What's up, goodies? How y'all doing today? So I'm gonna do a little get ready with me video. I do have an inspired look. My inspired look is Kash Doll from the Chanel slide video with her and Drizzy. That ponytail was popping, so I had to pull out one of those quick fast, you feel me? So I hope y'all like my video. So just get ready with me. And also I do have a little secret little tutorial on how to make your nails look poppin' for less money. So instead of going to the nail salon and spending $100 and something, or if you want something that's just quick, fast, like say you're going out and you didn't get your nails done, continue watching this video. Hey goodies, so I started my makeup. I am just doing my basic makeup, nothing crazy or special. If you do want to watch an in-depth, detailed video on how I do my everyday look, please go in my previous videos. I have a video on that and it's very in-depth if you really want to get into the makeup. I'm just breezing through it for you guys because I don't want to just slow down the video. So continue watching, y'all. Alright y'all, so remember I told y'all how to get poppin' nails for less than $15? Well, here we are. Alright, so if you want to see my nails go from this to this, continue watching. These are the nails you need. I got them from Walgreens in order to get your nails poppin'. I will leave the link in the description box below. Alright y'all, so you start your nails off like this. And so what you have to do, you just file your nails. I already did that, but I'm going to just show you how you do it. You file your nails down like so. And then the next step, you have to buff your nail. Because when you buff your nails, the nails stay on longer versus when you don't buff it. Just from what I experienced. So this is why I do it. I buff my nails so when the glue and the nail press on together, it has a nice coarse body to lay on. Alright, you ain't gotta be all extra because at the end of the day these are press on nails. Alright, so you dust off the excess and then I go ahead with this Kiss Precision nail glue. I like this nail glue because it doesn't make a mess. And try not to put too much nail glue. Just put a little dab so that, hold on. Yeah, you just put a little dab so that when you are putting on the nail, it spreads all over. So you put the nail on, you hold, like so. Hold tight, let it stay. And then after I do that, what I do to secure my nail, I just go right underneath and put a little bit of glue right in the back. So when it's drying, it's glued on the front of the nail and also it secures from back here too. All right, so just continue watching. So after I apply my nails, I like to reshape my nails because it's like they give you like a standard shape, and I like my nails to be super coffin. So you just take your file it down, boom, 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 and then you just do that for all the nails. File it down, boom, boom, boom. And then you do the same thing for the next hand. All right, you dust them off. All right. Get these nails, y'all. Come on. Less than $15. Okay. These ain't your average press-on nails. Okay. How y'all doing? So this is my finished look. This is my inspired Kash Doll look. Okay. So I got her blunt cut ponytail popping. I got my little Versace look going with my patent leather skirt. This is a feel. This is straight Kash Doll vibes right here. And I got my ice me out shades on. Heard you. Okay. All right, y'all. Tell me what you think. And this is my makeup with my lashes, my lip gloss, and my little chain. And then, so I got my $15 nails popping, okay? So ladies, like I said, if you don't got time to do your nails, or you don't got enough money to do your nails, but you still wanna look popping, get you some of these, okay? Get you some of these. Stop playing. Stop playing. You seen these? Does these look like $15? No, they don't. And that's the best part. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like the finished result or the finished look. So if you want to see more videos like this, just subscribe to my channel. I am Image Envy, and also follow me on all my social media pages, which I will leave in the description box below. And if you want to see more inspired looks or have more ideas for me, just leave them in the comment box below. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I love all you guys, and I'll see you soon. Image Envy out. Bye.